It's time for a video every day in April, and we've got some fun in store for you. Busy mom or dad need a quick meal that you can put on the table in 15 minutes? Well, have I got the meal for you. Keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in the home, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today we are tackling the chaos of what's for dinner, and I have got two little helpers with me today. My little grandchildren are here to visit me, and I had to figure out what's for dinner and how to get it on the stove quick. So Clueless Mama D issued a challenge about getting a meal on the table in 15 minutes, or at least off the stove in 15 minutes. So let's see if we can do that. So what are we cooking?
Spaghetti.
Right, we're cooking spaghetti and the meatballs. So here's the spaghetti.
Yeah, my meatballs.
Here are the meatballs, and we're going to use some Bertelli ready-made pasta sauce.
Yum,
so
yum.
Let's get it started. Mackenzie, would you like to put water in the pan?
Hot water.
Yeah, we're just going to put the water in the pan. Now, according to the package directions, it only takes 10 minutes to cook these meatballs, and we should have spaghetti al dente within 10 minutes. So, let's just see. Look, and look, right there. You see that pretty little girl right there? Okay, Mackenzie, we're going to set this on the burner, and we're going to use our turbo boil. This is supposed to make things boil up, water boil super quick. So we're going to put this on the turbo boil. This is what someone used when they set the stove on fire. So we'll keep an eye on that. And then we'll get a pan out for our
Spaghetti.
meatballs. We have some cooked perfect meatballs, Italian style, that you can cook in the microwave, and they should be done in less than 15 minutes. So Mackenzie, if you want to go ahead and put them in the dish. And then we'll pop these in the microwave. And I mean, what kid doesn't like spaghetti and meatballs? I don't know. You guys like spaghetti and meatballs?
Yeah!
All right then.
I love meatballs.
So let's lay the table.
So right now I have the napkin and the forks and the spoon and stuff. So let me get everything set it up. Because that one's over here. Put those.
There's only going to be 4 of them. They're not quite done yet, but they're almost.
All of it.
I
want to do something. I want to do it.
Okay, you can come over and help stir once she gets it all in. Come around this side.
I didn't get to do it.
Okay, now let Morgie stir. Okay. I don't think we're going to make it. There. I don't know though, but meatballs are about done. Oh, don't move it, don't move it. Daddy doesn't want to do the video. There. So now
Okay. So right now about to be done, but we're still counting. Almost time because the water is popping and boiling. Well, we didn't make it. Good luck on your try.
Well, as Mackenzie showed you, we did not meet the challenge. Our 15 minutes is up and our spaghetti is just now starting to really boil. So it's going to take us a few minutes to get it to al dente. Now the meatballs are done, so they're ready to go. And we've got our croissants on the table and our table is set.
The table is all set. We put the food on the table so we can sit down and eat. These are the croissants, although we didn't make it in the video.
No, we made them before the video. Mackenzie and Morgan and their daddy got those ready ahead of time, so those are ready to go.
So we have everything ready. So one person is missing, our granddaddy, but he's at work, so hopefully he gets the good stuff.
So we're just waiting on that spaghetti to come out and everything else is done. So like the girls said, they've got the table ready. So we'll show you our meal in just a minute. I want to thank Clueless Mama D for hosting this challenge, for trying to see who can get a meal on in 15 minutes. I have to say, it has been a while since I've had to make a meal for children and to try to get it on in 15 minutes. So, thumbs up and kudos to you moms who are working it every single day. So we'll be getting this out in just a little bit, and then we'll let you see our delicious bowl of spaghetti once we get it on the table. Thanks again to Clueless Mama D for hosting this challenge. And I will link the playlist below because I've seen a couple of moms cook some really neat things that I wouldn't mind eating myself. So check out the playlist when you get a chance, and also check out Clueless Mama D's channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up by hitting that like button, and by all means subscribe. If you like cook with me, plan with me, clean with me, laundry with me, and health and beauty, you will like what we do on this channel. This is Denise Jordan saying goodbye.
And I got the time to get a little bit more second so we can have a little more time. But thanks again, whoever wins. Good luck to you. Bye.
Do you have any closing remarks?
No.
Okay. There. Okay. We'll get this one out.
I didn't know the spaghetti was so thin.
So here are our meatballs all ready to go. There's our linguine. Now let's put the two together.
This is our homemade meatballs and spaghetti. Thanks for watching. Click up there to subscribe. I think you can get some love, everything. No mad faces. We don't like that. Thanks. Bye. This is Denise Jordan's video. Bye.
Well, our spaghetti and meatballs is done. It probably took us 25, maybe even almost 30 minutes because of all the extra help. But it was a lot of fun. So sorry, Clueless Mama D, we did not meet the challenge, but it was a lot of fun getting it done. Now, my question for today is this. What was your favorite part of today's video? Was it my little helpers? Was it my little budding stars on video? Or was it our spaghetti and meatball semi-homemade dinner? Inquiring minds want to know. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. And like Morgan said, subscribe because you can get lots of love.
This one's for Dad. Why do we have two and he has three?
Because he eats more than we do.
I love meatballs.
Well, you can get more.
You don't eat 3 if you love meatballs.
I love meatballs. Then that's not my food. Put it right there. This is not my food.
Well, thank you for joining us for Veda Day 4. We're going to have our dinner, so I'm going to be shutting the video down and we'll get on with our evening. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of vlog every day in April.
But first we have to show you one of the plates.
Here, I'll just turn the camera around. Put the plate down.
This is our dinner plates. Thanks for watching. Remember, this is Veda Day 4. We're counting down the days.
Please subscribe. And enjoy her next video.